Well, I don't know what happened, but this is a update. I had actually took a video going down to the hospital, and it's an update for Logan. And I don't know what happened to it. It just kind of disappeared. So it was 2 weeks ago. I think it was on, oh geez, let's see, what date was it? It was on the 17th. Logan went back into the hospital for chemo, and everything went good. His leg is responding good to the chemo, which is good. But this round of chemo, I don't know, I think it's like the AP chemo, not sure exactly what it stands for, but it's the AP chemo. And he got that the first time he was in the hospital, and it just tore him up for like a week and a half. And so that's what we expected this time. He went in, I think the 17th. Did I say? Yeah, the 17th. And just right now his stomach's starting to feel better as of yesterday. I mean, he's been nauseated. He's just had nausea, hard time eating, but he's doing good. He's not losing weight or anything. He's doing good. But other than that, like I said, I lost the video. I don't know what happened to it. And like you said before, like I try to make these videos even for me. I'm letting you guys know what's going on. Even for me to kind of keep track of everything that's going on, because I can't keep track day to day. I don't even know what day it is half the time. I just know my wife wakes me up for work, thank God, and I go to work that day, and just try to make it through the day the best I can. Luckily, it's been kind of slow at work, so I've had a little more time off, but I'm still only working sometimes like 3 days a week, 4 days a week, so it's really hard financially. Plus prescriptions, it really sucks bad. Insurance does take care of a lot of it, but you know, you're still liable for other stuff. And then last week, I get to work on Thursday, and my wife calls me up, and she's like, you know, my wife never calls me up and says, hey, I don't feel good. Or she'll call me up and say, I don't feel good. Hey, wait until you get home. But this was like, I don't feel good, time to go to the hospital. So it almost sounded like a heart attack, to where she was having shoulder pain, chest pain, fast heartbeat. So scared the crap out of both of us. We don't know what that was. I don't know if it was stress, probably, but I'm hoping that's all it was. So yeah, it's taking a toll, just mentally and physically. It's taking a toll on us as parents, just trying to keep everything straight, you know, because I do have 3 other kids, and I'm trying to keep everything straight between school and home and work, and making sure everything's taken care of is extremely, extremely hard. But everything's, you know, from the kids' perspective, everything is halfway normal, besides their brother's got to go to the hospital every so often. So it's hard all the way around. So please, if you could, you know, donate to the GoFundMe. It is appreciated. It does help. Any little bit helps. Like I said before, just getting back and forth to the hospital costs money. As you guys know, gas prices, and now gas prices are going back up. sure you hit up my MI Heating Guy or Michigan Heating Guy YouTube page or YouTube channel. Watch videos, that helps. Anything helps. So, and subscribe. So I will keep you updated, and we'll go from there. That's all we can do. And we gotta be in the hospital back, come up on this Friday the 7th for another round of chemo. We're in there all weekend, so it's gonna absolutely suck again. And then the next week after that, we gotta do the same thing. So it's just very physically and mentally draining. All right, I will keep you posted. Thank you so much.